you think cordless can't handle high-demand applications? Well, this one can. The 18V X2 LXT 36V Brushless 7-inch cut-off angle grinder. Don't waste your time with tedious cord management. Powered by two 18V batteries, this 7-inch angle grinder gives you maximum performance without the cord. For heavy-duty grinding and cutting, this grinder combines corded power and performance with the convenience and portability of cordless. The efficient brushless motor is engineered for longer runtime, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. With automatic speed change technology, the grinder will adjust the cutting speed and power so you can count on optimum performance in the toughest applications.
When using this tool, it feels real comfortable in your hand. There's almost no vibration compared to a corded tool of the same size. I feel like it's just as strong. This feels real nice. You know, it's real similar to using a smaller grinder, but with a lot more power.
It all adds up to big performance, like up to 50 cuts per charge in 1/8-inch angle iron. If you get in a jam while the rotation of the wheel is suddenly forced to stop, the electronic torque control is engineered to turn the motor off. Added features include a rear handle paddle switch with no lock-on, a vibration-absorbing back handle, and an electric brake that stops the wheel in 4.5 seconds or less. It's powered by Makita's fast-charging 18V LXT batteries. Makita Lithium-Ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18V lithium-ion batteries. LXT is one system compatible with over 175 solutions.